Now we will see the third method in WebDriver interface. The third method in WebDriver interface is quit method. So what it can do, we will now see. So this method declared in WebDriver interface. Okay, we all know that. So this method implemented by, who will provide body to those methods? Remote WebDriver class. Next, takes no arguments. Okay, returns void. It doesn't return anything. So what quit, why quit, how quit method is useful? Useful to close all browser windows or tabs which are opened while running our program. So what is the difference between close method and quit method? You can have the doubt. You can get that out. So what happened in close method? When we are executing the program of close method, what just happened was we are in the one tab. If we are open only one site, when we use the close method, it will close completely because the browser has opened only one tab. Okay, if two tabs were open, okay, so one we are in active position, one we are inactive, so we can operate only one site at a time, right? So if you are using google.co.in site and if you are using Facebook site in another tab, if we are on Google site, okay, when we use the close method, only the Google site will be closed when we use close method. If we use the quit method, both the tabs that were open, that two tabs will be closed, like complete browser will be closed. Okay, all the windows and tabs will be closed. Okay, this is the difference between close and quit method. I am highlighting this point. Okay, so what is the syntax for quit method? Driver dot quit method. That's it. It doesn't take any argument. It returns void. Okay, so we will see the program. I'm creating the class again. Quit method. See, I have written the lowercase for the class name. It has given the exclamation mark. Okay, warning sign. Okay, so the conversion Java type name usually start with uppercase. So class name should start with uppercase. Okay, I'm taking main method in our program. I'm deleting the comments. Yeah, I'm taking the same program. copying the previous program. Yeah, so I'm downloading the latest Edge driver software. I'm opening the Edge browser. So I'm launching the Google website. Okay, so I am using quit method now instead of close. So what will happen, we will see. We'll run the program. Yeah, so Edge browser was open and the browser was closed. So here also we are opened only one tab. Okay, so close browser and quit browser are same for the one tab. Okay, when we are using only one tab, if you use close method or quit method, it functions as same. Okay, so if we are opening the two tabs, okay, if we have two tabs in our browser, when we use the close method, it will only close the, if we use the close method, it will only close the active tab. Okay, it doesn't close the inactive tab. If you use the quit method, it will close both of the tabs in the browser. So it will close the entire browser. Irrespective of the tabs open, it will close the entire browser when we use the quit method. Okay, I will now show you the proof. So when we launch the google.co.in site, so we will get the home page right like this. So when we click on the Gmail link in Google site, it will, okay, it is opening the same it is opening in the same tab. So let me see if it is opening other tab. Oh, it is not opening. Okay, I'm not taking the Google site now. I'm taking the Selenium official website, the selenium.dev.com, selenium.dev. Okay, so in this site, when I have launched the site, the home page is like this. So there is a link here, get tickets. When I click on it, it is opening the new tab. Okay, so we have here two tabs open in the browser. Okay, so if you use the close method, okay, so here the register, the tab which is in register, okay, so the register tab will be closed if we use the close method. Okay, if we use, so only this tab will be closed when you use the close method, because that is in active position. So if we use quit method, the two tabs that are open here will be closed. That means the browser will be closed fully. Okay, that is the difference between close method and quit method. Now I'm taking, so how to open the tab, extra tab, we will now see. So I am launching the selenium.dev site. Okay, so let me check again. Okay, so I am taking, so I am opening the Selenium site, official site. Okay, so we have launched the Selenium website. Let's see how to click on the get tickets. So how to do that? We have to just right click on this link. We have to click on inspect. When we click on right click, we will get these options. You just have to inspect because you have to perform action on this link. Okay, you have to click on inspect. When you click on inspect, just take the dock outside, dev tools outside. This is the dev tools tab. Okay, so yeah, so we have to perform the action on this link, right? So just use this arrow key here in dev tools. Just click on that link. I will, yeah, you can now see, yeah, you can now see the reference source code of that link. So A means anchor tag. So developer used the anchor tag to develop this link. So I am taking this link text. So the text between the starting tag and ending tag of the link is called link text. You will get to know in further classes. I'm just copying this link text. I will use this link text in our code so that we can click on this link. So just a minute, I have just copied that link text. So how to do that? I'm using the driver object again. So I need to use the find element method. Okay, because we are clicking on the element in the website, so we have to use the find element method. So we are using by class. So in that by class we are using the link text. Okay, so with the help of link text, so what is the link text value? I have just copied, right? I just pasted it in here. So I am using the link text. So what action we have to perform on this get text link? Just we have to click, okay, so that it can open the extra tab. So when you click on the dot, it will give some suggestions. See, the WebDriver class has click method. Okay, I'm just using the click method, and just a minute. Yeah, okay, so this is the code to click on a link. Okay, uh, I'm just running it, I'm saving it. Okay, when we click on the link, it will open the extra tab. Okay, the register tab will be open, so that we can have the two tabs open. Yeah, I will run it. Yeah, browser launched, Selenium dev site. Okay, close. So it was too fast, right? I'm just taking some time after launching the website. After clicking on the link, I'm just taking some time so that we can see it clearly. I'm using thread.sleep to load the website. So thread.sleep will take argument milliseconds. Okay, so it will take milliseconds as argument. I am taking 5 seconds. 5000 milliseconds means 5 seconds. So it will hold 5 seconds before executing the next line of code. Okay, so it is giving some instructions. So it is saying unhandled exceptions type interrupted exception. So it is saying that may exceptions will arise during this code. So it is saying to fix this uh, exception by add throw declarations. Okay, when you click on this, so it will give suggestions. So you can use throws exception, so that we can avoid any exception during the execution of the program. Okay, so we will now see. I'm executing the program. I'm starting the program. Yeah, Edge driver, Edge browser was open. Yes, Selenium page was loading. Yeah, when we click on the link, so it will hold for 5 seconds and it is closing. So it has completely closed. Okay, so just for clarity, I will now use close method now so that you can get some more clarity. I'm running the same program again by using the close method. Yeah, Selenium site was loaded, register page was loaded. So register, yeah, you can now see the register page was still open. Selenium site was closed. Why? Because our that Selenium home, that Selenium website is the active browser window. Okay, that Selenium website is the active browser window. That's why that tab was closed. This tab was still open. Okay, now you know the difference. If you use the close method, it will only close the active current browser window. When you use the quit method, it will close all the browsers, all the windows and tabs. That means the complete browser. It will close the complete browser. Okay, so this is all about the quit method.